Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the GSD portal with your GSTIN and credentials. Complete any two-factor authentication. Once logged in, go straight to Services, then User Services, and select Change Email/Mobile or Open My Profile. Now, enter the new mobile number or email in the appropriate field and hit the Request Change button. This initiates verification. Make sure both the old contact and the new one are available, because the portal will trigger OTPs to validate ownership before proceeding further. Once you request the change, you must verify the update. The portal gives two routes. If you choose OTP-based EVC, request OTPs and enter the codes received on the new and sometimes current contact to confirm control. If you prefer higher assurance, select DSC, plug in the USB token, pick the correct certificate, and complete the sign operation. After signing or successful OTP entry, review the change preview and click Submit to register an application for update. This moves the request into processing. After submission, the portal returns an acknowledgement or ARN. Save it and use Track Application Status to monitor progress. Once the authority approves the change, refresh My Profile to confirm the new mobile number and email appear correctly, then log out. If the update is delayed or OTPs fail, first clear browser cache, re-attempt the OTP flow, and ensure network and SMS delivery from your operator. If problems persist, contact GSD Help Desk with your ARN and a concise description so they can escalate and verify the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.